everyone, thanks so much for joining me. Susan Timchak here, independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up. I'd like to thank you for taking time out of your busy day and your busy schedule to take a few moments and join me as I do an unboxing of my July paper pumpkin. How exciting is that? Yes, it is a little smooshed, but paper pumpkin box is very sturdy, so I'm sure all the contents inside is fine and dandy. So this is the July 2019 box. It's called On My Mind, and this was on my doorstep when I came home from work. So what a great thing to come home to. And you could subscribe as well for just $22 a month, which includes your shipping. This package, this box, will come to your door filled with lots of goodies each and every month. And I love paper pumpkin. I've been getting paper pumpkin since day one, and we just celebrated 6 years of paper pumpkin, and it just keeps getting better and better. So if you're not subscribed yet, let me know. You can sign up through paperpumpkin.com and be sure to choose me, Susan Timchak, as your demonstrator. I'd love for you to do that. So catalog coordination gives you more. So this kit corresponds with three of our other suites in the new annual catalog: Woven Thread Suite, Garden Lane Suite, and Come Sail Away Suite. And they have the page numbers on there for you. And it says, love this kit, wish you could do even more with it. Stampin' Up! Has you covered with fantastic coordination. Mix and match everything you see here with 3 new suites from the brand new Stampin' Up! Annual catalog. Check out the suites in the catalog or shop online. And you can shop online definitely through my online store at www.stampinsucreates.stampinup.net. And once you're a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, you can go back in and purchase previous kits and previous refills. And it's just a great subscription box. For $22 a month, you have items that you can craft, and then you have a stamp set and ink spot, sometimes 2 or more, or you just never know what you're going to get. Let me bring this back in. So here is the stamp set. And I know it's probably going to be hard for you to see, but there's a happy birthday, there's hello friend, you've been on my mind, and you're the best. There's a little seashell, and then there's like a little medallion there. I'm not sure if you can really see that too well. There you go, bring it up for you. So they're photopolymer, and you will not find these stamps anywhere else but in Paper Pumpkin. So they're highly collectible, those of you that like to collect things. Now this month we have the Pretty Peacock Stampin' Spot, which this is your ink. And this coordinates and goes with our ink pads, this is one of the new ink colors, the Pretty Peacock. So I don't normally use these, being I have all of the large ink pads. I usually save these and give them away as little gifts and things like that. So if you see me creating with it, most likely you will not be seeing me use the spot. Not like there's anything wrong with it, it's just I have the large ink pads, so this way I can share these with, my customers. So it comes all wrapped up. We have some pretty blue tissue paper this month. And these boxes are reusable because they totally come all apart. Well, this one kind of, has seen a better day. With whatever happened to it, I don't know. But it totally comes all apart. You can fold it inside out and use it for storage, which is great. We never seem to have enough things for storage, and why pay for storage when you have it for free? Alright, so here it is, Paper Pumpkin On My Mind Instructions, July 2019. You can find a quick video on pumpkinhowto.com. I apologize for my dog. Contains supplies for 9 cards and envelopes. And you just never know with Paper Pumpkin what you're going to get. Sometimes they give us a little sneak preview. So you might get a little sneaky poo. And there's my cat doing. So, hey, hail, the gang is all here. And Aurora's up here now. So, let's hope there's not any barking now because she's up here. But there's probably somebody outside, or maybe a leaf was blowing by and she just had to address it. Alright, so let's see what we got. We have some beautiful sequins here in 2 different shades. And we have, oh, look at these. These are like little circles, dimensional. So those are fun. And then we have some mini dimensionals, and they always give you more than enough supplies to create with. We have some patterned heavyweight papers here. And we have 3 of those. We have 3 of these, which are one big tag, and then we have 2 smaller tags. So how pretty is that? I love that distressed look. And then we have some envelopes, and look at the inside. It's going to coordinate, of course, with the cards, which is great. And this is printed on there, so it doesn't add any extra weight. And look at that, how pretty. So 3 of each of these. I love that stripe. 3 of those. And, oh, how pretty. That's the pretty, pretty peacock. We have 3 of those. So, like I stated before, this is going to create 9 cards. I'm not going to create them with you today, but you'll want to be sure to head on over to my Facebook page at Stampin' Sue Creates, and you'll see what I created with it, along with some other alternative ideas as well. So here we have some twine, and we also have some little paper clips. I'm not sure if that's showing up, but there's 3 little paper clips, teeny tiny ones, fun. And then here we have our card bases, which this has a very light, almost like dashes kind of on it. The other side is white, so I would assume we have 3 of those. Yep. And ooh, this is where it coordinates with the, what did I do with that paper? Oh, under here. This is where this is going to coordinate with the Come Sail Away Suite. Look at that sailboat. It's a substantial size. And look at, there's little clouds. I'm not sure if you could see them. A big circle. So we have 3 of those. And I'm assuming each one of these sheets is what creates one of the cards. And then here we have that pretty green stripe. We have 3 of those cards, and the front of it is the stripe and the back is that, or you can turn it around and do it the other way, or you can cut them up, and well, I can't wait to play, so I will be. Here you have some punch outs. These are real pretty, very delicate, but look how easy they come out. Very easy. You just pop those out. Look at how pretty and delicate that is. Love that. And then we have some other leaves here that very easily pop out. And, oh, this is pretty. This has actually a texture to it. So I'm not sure if it's showing up, but it actually does have a texture. So we have 3 of these, and both sides are that. But did I show you this other side of this one? The other side of this one is white with the stripes. And, ooh, look at these little wheels. These little, what do you call them? Somebody comment below, you'll know what I mean. This happens to me every time. It's like this little steering wheel. How fun is that? And am I going to assume that these are the cards that we're making? Maybe not. Okay. And here we have some little tags. We have a whole sheet of tags. And, whoa, these are big. These are our glue dots. And look at the size of those puppies. These are large. And we have a piece of chipboard, which you can use for a lot of other crafty things. Okay, so here we are. We'll get back to the instruction sheet. No, they are different than these, but these are some other ideas that you can create with. So that's great that they give you that. So these are actually the cards that you will be creating in your kit if you choose to follow the directions. Inside we have full step-by-step directions, which is great. And they do provide a ruler down here at the bottom, so if you need to measure your twine or anything, you can use that for measuring if you are like me and never seem to find anything when you need it. Okay, I know you're out there. So this tells you what your kit includes. It tells you how to stamp. Now, when you first subscribe to Paper Pumpkin, your first subscription, you will be given a block. And do I have a block? It's this size block, which this is not the block you'll get. This is one I have. This is a D size block. And you'll use this for all future paper pumpkins. So you'll want to definitely keep a hold of that. And like I said, they are photopolymer. So you'll use that and you'll be able to see right through them to stamp. So they do tell you how to stamp if you've never stamped before, which is great. And then down here we have all the social medias that you can find Paper Pumpkin on, and definitely check out the Paper Pumpkin Facebook page, because that's where a lot of demonstrators share a lot of alternative ideas and different other things you can do. So maybe like this kit, you know, with the samples they provide you to make might not be your cup of tea. Maybe you want to do something else. Well, you know, it's totally open. You can do whatever it is you want to do and create the cards for, you know, whatever you want them to be or however you want, you know, you want to do them. Totally up to you. Totally make them into tags or, you know, so many other things. The sky's the limit with this. And incorporate some of your other Paper Pumpkin subscriptions if you've been a subscriber. Go through those. Some of those past kits have some great stamps in there, have some great sentiments in there, and mix and match and put them all together. But Paper Pumpkin is a great way to start if you're brand new to rubber stamping, you don't have a whole lot of space, and you just want to give it a try and see if this is something that you like. Because even if you're going on vacation, I mean, you take your box, maybe a little snail adhesive, a pair of scissors, and you're pretty much ready to go because everything else is provided in your kit. So, alright, well that is the July kit, the On My Mind kit, and I know Paper Pumpkin has come a long way in the 6 years, and if ever you receive your kit and you are not satisfied or something is missing or something is wrong, all you have to do is call Stampin' Up! At 1-800-STAMP-UP, and they will make it right for you. They don't want to see anyone that's unhappy or, you know, is displeased with their kit, or you need something might be missing from your kit. Chances are they'll probably send you a whole new kit as long as they have them. But after these are distributed through all the subscribers, Stampin' Up! Will send you an email to tell you that you can now purchase the supplies. So you won't get the ink spot, you won't get the stamp set, but you'll get that little pack, this little packet with all of these consumable supplies, and you can pick them up pretty cheap to create even more projects. So I hope you've enjoyed this. Excuse me. Please just be sure to give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Are you a subscriber? Are you thinking of subscribing? What's holding you back? How long have you subscribed? I'd love to hear from you. So thank you all very much, and I'll see you back here again real soon in another fun upcoming video. Bye-bye for now.